Hi, I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. Together, we are your reliable commercial roofing experts at DryTech Exteriors, a trusted family-owned business serving the commercial businesses in and around Dayton, Ohio. When it comes to commercial roofing in Dayton, it is crucial to discern the optimal solutions for your property. Understand the correct installation procedures and recognize the significance of selecting the right roofing company for the job.
Just like residential roofing, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to commercial roofing in Dayton. With a plethora of options available, making the right choice can be daunting. At DryTech Exteriors, we alleviate this stress by offering tailored solutions specifically suited to your commercial property needs. Whether you require roof replacements or repairs, DryTech Exteriors has got you covered.
So how do we pinpoint the precise needs for your commercial roof? Through our meticulous inspection process. When you reach out to DryTech Exteriors, you'll be greeted by a friendly, knowledgeable, professional member of our team who will gather pertinent information and schedule a roof inspection at no cost and at your convenience. One of our experienced roofing experts will conduct a thorough assessment of your roof structure and condition, providing an on-site guidance and option tailored to your requirements.
Proper installation is paramount to the longevity and functionality of your roof, a responsibility we take very seriously. What are the consequences of incorrect or unprofessional installation of commercial roofing? Well, poor installation can lead to leaks, voided material warranties, property damage, and costly repairs down the line. It's imperative to entrust your commercial roofing needs to a reputable company with skilled professionals who adhere to industry best practices and are locally licensed and insured.
So what sets DryTech Exteriors apart as the optimal choice for safeguarding your commercial property? Well, we distinguish ourselves in the commercial roofing arena for several reasons. Our team comprises highly skilled and experienced professionals dedicated to delivering top-notch roofing services. We utilize premium materials and adhere to industry standards to ensure correct installation on the first attempt. We offer unparalleled warranties to provide you with peace of mind regarding the protection of your commercial property.
For years, DryTech Exteriors has been recognized as the best of Dayton, the next-door neighborhood favorite, and we've been honored with the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. We've attained Owens Corning's Platinum Preferred status, placing us among the top 1% of roofers nationwide in terms of customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. On top of all that, DryTech Exteriors boasts more 5-star reviews than any other commercial roofing company in Dayton. When executed by a professional team like ours, commercial roofing can enhance the comfort, protection, and value of your property. Don't take chances with your roof. Choose DryTech Exteriors for all your commercial roofing needs. Contact our family-owned business today for a complimentary consultation.